of the other dated plate on the side of these end tables, I used my painter's tool and I pried it off, and it just popped right off after I got that painter's tool underneath it and just gave it a little pull. Also, to fill in the large scar that was left after I pried this panel off, I used heavy duty Bondo, and I like Bondo for large fixes like this because it's heavy duty, it dries super fast, it dries super hard, it's drillable, it's paintable. So there's plenty of benefits of using heavy duty Bondo for large gaps like this. Once the Bondo was all dry and sanded smooth, I filled in all the little leftover divots with Dixie Belle Mudd Filler. And as I've mentioned, I love using this in combination because the Dixie Belle Mudd Filler is so easy to sand by hand, and it really fills in all those little nicks and nooks and crannies and any little air pockets that are left. So it's fabulous for a finishing mud filler or wood filler. I sanded everything until it was perfectly smooth, and on a couple of spots I had to do this a few times because obviously you have to wait until the mud filler or the wood filler is all dry until you can sand it. I sanded, and then I would see another little tiny spot, so I would fill it in with the wood fill. That happened a couple of times, but finally it all sanded smooth. And this is including the damaged corner that I showed at the beginning of the video. And then I gave it 2 coats of primer, so it was perfectly smooth and ready for paint.